Well, hello everybody. Here from Bobby's Hobbies, and if you were watching earlier, you saw that I found this old Plasser track cleaner by Bachmann, and it wasn't working; it just lit up. And I have my little trusty styrofoam, spongy foam. It's from a computer. It's really good as far as making a quick workbench, so to speak. I got all kinds of tools thinking it had a real big operation. This is the tank that goes inside that you could fill with cleaning fluid, and this is a little dispenser. Now the original, I guess it was some kind of cloth or scrubbing thing, is gone. So eventually, I'm just going to replace that with a piece of a sponge. Now I thought that this whole thing was going to, pancake motor. And I said, "Oh wow!" But it's got a nice, metal frame in there. And I said, "It's probably shot, and whatever. Not gonna work, and probably gonna be dead. Or I'm gonna have to take it apart and get a few moments of life out of it, and what have you." But it turns out that it just needed a little attention, the tiniest nudge, and a little bit of oil. And if I put on some power, at a very slow power, we don't want it to fly off here, I should be able to get some life out of it. Of course, it worked off camera. Yeah, there it goes. See, in slow speed is actually a good indication that it works. I stopped it. And, sometimes you get lucky. Sometimes it was just a very small amount of dirt and stuck on grease. And that little bit of maintenance is all it needed. The wheels are clean. Wheels don't make sense to me because when I put power to them, they seem to want to short. I just can't figure that out. But it's not worth figuring it out when it works. So with the power testing complete, now the only thing to do is put it back together, which is relatively easy. Now, here's the interesting thing. This is the tank, and that little dispenser hole probably comes out kind of quickly. And that goes on there. And then I can't really do it with one hand, and I don't have the camera stand right now. But I have to put these two screws in. One bolt holds the tank in, the other bolt holds this swivel arm. And I've got to cut a piece of an old sponge. Cutting that piece of the old sponge, slightly larger, should work. I'll get one of those scrubbing things, and hopefully it sticks in there. And I'll put this onto the my finger. I'll put this onto the track cleaning train. So we'll have two Plassers, that monster beast that I came up with. And I did find one track cleaning car that has a solid weight in the middle and a scrubbing brush. I haven't put it on camera yet. But what bothers me is for the life of me, I had one that had 4 little grinding wheels. I don't know where they are, like pads. That was made by, gee whiz, I can't think of the name right now. But Roundhouse, I think. And I had an AHM, it would look like a work caboose. I'm sure I'll find it eventually, but right now, for the life of me, I couldn't find it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I can put the top on, I guess. Now, let's just hope I get this on here, because this wasn't that easy. It's got like a snap-on. You know what? I don't think I should snap it on until I screw this on. Okay, just a little episode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.